The help you requested has arrived. Now that your first responder is here, we'll address any safety issues. We will then locate any and all affected areas in your property, whether it's carpet, hardwood floors, tile floors, walls and ceilings, underneath cabinetry, or personal property. Our specialized crews are prepared to begin as soon as possible to prevent any further damage. It is very important to start this process right away. Every minute you wait, water will continue to spread. Beginning quickly will also prevent mold growth along with the potential health concerns it brings. When filing a claim, we will work directly for you, coordinating with your insurance company every step of the way. We'll even send them a copy of the invoice. If you're not filing a claim, your first responder will provide you with an upfront estimate at no charge, along with all of our payment options. Once our crews begin, we will protect your property from further damage, then extract excess water, install air movement, dehumidification, and air filtration equipment to quickly restore your property and get you back to your everyday life. During this process, please feel free to contact us with any questions, anytime, any day.